First, you're gonna take your map, make it a model, just like how I have it here, amazing hehe, and it's all of this. Then you're gonna go to server storage and you're gonna click the plus and you're gonna add a folder. Name it map. Nothing else, and not with a lowercase, exactly like this. Once completed, go up here and get your model and then slide it into the map. Once you have it, it should be gone. It's not actually gone. I could just put this back in the workspace and it's right there, and you know, it's safe and sound. Now when I click play, it's just gonna work. It just works. Now you might be wondering, why the animation? What if I don't want animation? Are there different animations? The answer is yes, and I'm gonna teach you how to do that inside the script itself. So in the dev settings, aka what you want, I have a few animations that you can use right here, about 4 of them, and the animation time. If you don't want animation, literally just set it to 0 like this. And if you want to change the animation name, you have to type it exactly. So if I say fade in, bam, it's gonna fade in. I'm gonna get a different one. So let me set this thing up. This means 2 seconds, by the way. I click run, it's gonna do a fade in. If I do flood into, it's gonna spawn from the center. If I do tween in, it's gonna do that. Spawn from center will literally just spawn it from the bottom, just like this. Don't ask about the name. But yes, you have reload time, so this means 5 minutes. And then you have batch size. This is how many parts inside the model is loaded at once. Without this, your map will lag. So I basically set it to load 100 parts per 100th of a second. And then swap delay. So this one is more for a cleaner appearance on... Let me just show you. Let's set the reload time so you know it works to 5 seconds. Batch size to 100. That could be default. Batch weight 100. And swap delay 0.4 seconds. Animation time we're going to do 2 seconds. And spawn from center, which really should be named spawn from bottom, but I'm too tired to change it. Okay, I just want to get done with it. So let's load this in, and as you can see, it loads in, and about every 5 seconds or so it's going to reload. So if I actually select you, bam, see how it deselected? I'm going to delete it, and it's still going to load. See, just like that. This should work for any sized map, and yes, I fixed it. Okay, it spawns from bottom, fixing the name. As you can see, it still works. I hope you enjoy.